Watch to the end of this video and I'll show you step by step how you can start a 4-figure a month passive income stream in as little as 3 months with no starting capital. This is with vending machines. And I think this is a side hustle, passive income stream that every single person should at least consider getting into. And I love vending machines because it's a real business with real products, real customers that doesn't require any experience and doesn't require any capital to get started. And I'll show you how you can make it completely passive on your end. This is Mike, who I've been working with, and he's built a $30,000 a month vending machine empire, and he's helped hundreds of other people do the same. Mike went from zero knowledge to 10 locations in 6 months. Will from Utah, zero vending machine experience. Now he has a passive income stream. And I've talked to probably a dozen people who are making anywhere from $1,000 a month and using it just as a little side hustle to people who are making $30,000 a month. And this is their main thing that they do. So I want to walk you step by step how you can get started with vending machines, no starting capital, and I'll show you how you can make it completely passive on your end. And if you follow this checklist step by step, you will be successful. You can take this as far as you'd like it to go. Again, it can just be another income stream for you, or it could be your main thing that pays all your bills. So step number 1 is you need to find locations to put your machines. And it's just like real estate. It's all about location, location, location. You can make money with vending machines in bad locations. You won't make as much. And you're looking for places that have a lot of foot traffic. So Mike recommends the number place is luxury apartment complexes. The luxury apartment complexes work better than in poorer areas. The people have more to spend at the upper end apartment complexes, and you want to look for apartment complexes that have at least 100 units. Other good places, you can look at nursing homes, you can look at hospitals, you can look at libraries. Anywhere where there's a lot of traffic could be a potentially good place to put a vending machine. Once you've located a few places that you might want to put them, step 2 is you need to contact these locations. Personally, I would start by emailing. And when you're first starting, quantity is better than quality. You just want to reach out to a bunch of different places. They say when you send cold emails, if you send 100, you might get 1 response. If you do 10 cold phone calls, you might get 1 response. And if you do 5 in-person meetings, you might get 1 response. Use whatever methods you think work best, whatever you're most comfortable with. Send out 100 emails, call 10 different places, or go schedule 5 meetings. Pop in a places. Face-to-face works really well with something like this. If you're too shy, just give it a shot, I would tell you. But if you're too shy, you can try it over Zoom or try it over the phone. But you just want to tell people that you're offering vending machines. You can talk about the benefits. It keeps residents happy. It's no cost to the business that you're putting it in on. You'll do all the work. You'll pay all the fees. Even if you need to seal the deal, you can even offer some kind of a revenue share if you have to. So once you get your first yes, you have an apartment complex that says, yes, we would love for you to put your vending machine in here. Then you need to buy your machine. So you can work with the apartment complex or wherever the location you found and figure out which type of machine is going to work best for you. And then your 2 options, you can buy machines new. I use evending.com, or you can buy used machines off of something like Craigslist. The advantage of doing something new using eVending is they let you finance the machines. So it's $0 down. No payments required for the first 3 months. And then it's about $150 a month after that point. So by the time you get your vending machine up and running, you should be able to use the profits from the vending machine to make your first payment on the vending machine itself. So it requires 0 capital on your side. Again, you can buy used and it's going to be cheaper doing it that way. New machines will come with a warranty if something breaks, and it'll just be in better shape if you get it new. Step 4 is you want to stock your vending machine. So you might want to work with the apartment complex or the location to see what they would like in it, but you want things that you can charge at least double what you pay for them. So you just go to Sam's Club or Costco or something like that. You can get, Doritos 50 bags for $20. So that's 40 cents per bag, and you can easily put a bag of Doritos in a vending machine for $1. So that's a great product. So then each week your routine becomes checking the vending machine, see where the inventory levels are, running to Sam's Club, buying to restock, going back, filling it up. It takes about an hour. And that leads us to step 5, which is making it passive. I love passive income. I don't have time to go restock vending machines. So once you have the process down and you have, okay, here are the products we put in here, we have to restock once a week or once every other week. It's pretty easy to find a college student or somebody on Craigslist. You say, I'll pay you $20 an hour once a week to go run to Costco, fill up this vending machine. It usually takes about an hour, so it costs you 20 bucks. So what I like to do with all my businesses is I start doing it myself until I have the process down exactly so that I can script it out exactly what somebody's supposed to do. Then I hand it off to somebody. I say, hey, I'll pay you 20 bucks. Maybe I'll be extra generous, pay you 30 bucks. So I'm making $500 a week and I'm paying $30 a week to somebody to do the stocking for me. Then the sixth and final step is scaling. So once you have one machine down, you have the route, you have somebody in place to restock it for you, it's pretty easy then to scale up to your second location, your third location, your fifth location, your 10th location. I talked with a person in Mike's program who has 30 locations now. Each of these locations just is added to your route. Instead of 1 hour, now maybe it takes 3 hours for that college student to make the journey once a week. But if each of these locations brings in $1,000 a month, $2,000, $5,000 a month, see, when you get up to 10, 20, or 30, you could be making $1 million a month. You could be making $300,000 a month just off your vending machines. So I have started this process for myself. I've currently gone to 3 meetings. Looks like I have 3 locations that I'm going to put vending machines. I will keep you updated on my progress. If you're wanting to start this for yourself, options. First off, you can do it just on your own and it will cost you nothing. Again, zero capital, and you can be successful doing it that way. If you just follow this blueprint, you don't have to spend a dime and you can start looking for your first location today. This should work in the US. This should work in any other country. Any country, if you see vending machines sitting around, the same process should work for you there. If you're wanting to speed up the process a little bit, Mike does offer a training course. So this is a training course that will walk you through the best way. It'll give you scripts for talking to apartment complexes. It'll show you which products work the best. So this is all stuff you could discover by trial and error. But Mike's done this with so many people where he's cut out a lot of the time that it will take you and you can just learn from him. So this training course is $997, but for my community, he's given us promo code New Year New You, which makes it just $498. So 500 bucks. So again, you can do it completely yourself. If you want to speed up the results a little bit, you can pay 500 bucks for the training course. If you are really wanting to hit this hard, like, hey, I want to make this my business that I give to my children someday, Mike does have a coaching program. It's called the Vending Accelerator Program. In that program, he'll basically hold your hands through the whole process. They have a mass emailer that they use to find leads and then email them these huge email blasts so you can find locations a lot easier, things like that. His coaching program is $5,000. So again, this would only be if you really want this like your job. But he has a guarantee in his coaching program. They'll help you for 6 months, but if you're not at $1,000 a month after those 6 months, he'll keep going until you are at least making the $1,000 a month. That's basically getting one machine in a location. So try it yourself. I'll leave a link to this training course if you want to go that direction. If you want to do his coaching program, I'll leave you a link here. You just schedule a call. Make sure you mention you heard it from James Pelton. You might get a bit of a discount. I'll also leave a link right up here to my full interview I did with Mike about his vending machine experience. Give that a watch, see if you like Mike. And if you're looking for more side hustles or more investment opportunities, check out Passive Income Engines. Got 4 Christian guys here who we put all of our favorite side hustles, passive income ideas into one little package. And you can try it for 30 days for $1. You can also check out my last video I did where I go through how I'm making $1,000 a day in passive income. I appreciate all you guys watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.